Good Tuesday morning. Welcome to the Beamish Blogcast, September 6, 2016. Absolutely gorgeous morning across the Sonoran Desert. That will be changing quickly over the next 36 hours. 30% chance of showers and thunderstorms late this afternoon, 95 the daytime high, and we'll keep in that scattered storm potential overnight. 72 your forecast low. Note the winds out of the east-southeast, 15 Newton, which is currently spinning over the southern tip of Baja California as of this morning. Not as organized as what we saw earlier when it made landfall near Cabo San Lucas with sustained winds of 90 miles per hour. So why is Newton a player in our forecast? We have a low-pressure trough sitting over Southern California and a high-pressure ridge over the central and southern plains. Winds aloft from the south to the north, and that's why we're bracing for some impacts from Newton as we're heading into tonight and tomorrow. For that reason, there is a flash flood watch out starting at 5 o'clock today through 8 o'clock tomorrow night for much of southeastern Arizona. The potential for 1 to 3 inches of rain exists with isolated higher amounts, certainly not out of the question. Latest advisory on Newton as of 8 o'clock this morning. Sustained winds 80 miles per hour, weakening into a tropical storm tonight, but making a second landfall near San Carlos and Guaymas. Still heading in our direction tomorrow morning, possibly entering Santa Cruz County as a tropical storm. It would be the 5th tropical storm on record to reach Arizona, then weakening tomorrow evening as a tropical depression. Notice the cone of uncertainty. It could go as far east, that track, as portions of Graham, Greenlee, and Cochise counties. That would put the heaviest rainfall east of Metro Tucson, but most computer models right now say that track for Newton, the remnants of Newton, will be somewhere between Sells and Tucson, so that puts central Pima County and points east in that heavy rainfall bullseye. Here's the timeline of events. I think scattered storms possible, especially along the border late this afternoon through tonight. The heavy rainfall arrives as you're leaving for work and school tomorrow morning, continuing through tomorrow afternoon. That remnant circulation on Futurecast somewhere near Marana and Avra Valley, and then rocketing up to the northeast by Wednesday night and early Thursday morning. Once we get beyond Wednesday evening, storms and shower activity not as widespread, but we'll still keep in an isolated rain chance heading into Thursday morning. Here's the cliff notes on Newton. Again, heaviest rainfall potential tomorrow morning through late tomorrow afternoon. 1 to 3 inches of rain possible, Sells and points east. Again, if that track shifts a little further to the east, rainfall amounts less for Tucson and Sells. Still a little bit of uncertainty with that track. I'm not worried about the places that get 1 inch of rain. We see that with any common monsoon storm. I'm more concerned about the places that get 3, 4, even 5 inches of rain. There'll be isolated amounts of 4 or 5 inches. But again, those are the areas of concern. If your property floods easily with any common monsoon storm, you may want to consider getting sandbags today. Winds as high as 40 miles per hour, gusting out of the east-southeast as the remnants of Newton head in our direction, so a raw, blustery, wet Wednesday on tap. A 100% chance of rain tomorrow. We're confident it's going to rain in Tucson. Just how much rain will we see? We think 1 to 3 inches, but we're not fully confident in that. It's far from a lock. All depends on the track that Newton takes. Only 70s for highs. Once we get beyond tomorrow evening, shower and storm activity decreasing to the isolated nature heading into the weekend, with daytime highs heating up into the upper 90s. We'll keep you posted on air, online, on your mobile device with the latest track of Newton, what we're seeing with the computer model data, and just how much rainfall we can expect here in Metro Tucson. Thanks for logging on. I'll catch you on the TV side today for News 4 Tucson at noon.